This is Sport Chronicle Roundup, and we'll be talking about the game that went down last night. That was Chelsea playing host to West Ham. Chelsea came from behind to defeat West Ham by 2 goals to one, all thanks to an own goal from, of course, Aaron Big Saka, and the only goals Chelsea scored in the second half that is coming from Pedro Neto. Chelsea has moved up to the fourth place, relegating Manchester City after earning for 3 points on the Premier League log. Yes, the European deadline January transfer ended yesterday, and we witnessed some move. That is, we saw some likes of Super Eagles players, that is Kelechi Iheanacho, moving away from English top tie to the second division, and as well Emmanuel Dennis. We also had some moves such as Asensio and a few other players who moved last night. We'll be talking also on Chelsea. Chelsea had to release 3 players. That was one of the players that left Chelsea was French and centre back, that is Axel Disasi, who joined Aston Villa until the end of the season. Ben Chilwell also left. Ben Chilwell joined Chelsea 2022 from Leicester City through a mega money move, and he will be spending the rest of his season at Crystal Palace. We also had 21 years old Kene Chukwuemeka, who completed a loan move to Borussia Dortmund for the remainder of the season. Manchester City added to their additions. They signed 23 years old Nico Gonzalez from Porto. The 23 years old will be the fourth signing of Pep Guardiola this season, and as well Marco Asensio also moved from PSG to Aston Villa. Now, what a big blow for the Super Eagles, as a few of their players who are playing in the top tier division league now will be going to the second division league in the English Premier League. That is Kelechi Iheanacho. Kelechi Iheanacho, after moving just 6 months to Sevilla as a free agent, has been told that his service is no longer needed, and he can be taking a move at any point in time he wants to go. As well, Dennis Emmanuel, who has moved from Nottingham Forest and now will be playing in he'll be playing in the second tier league as well. He has joined Rovers, and it is, of course, a big blow for the Super Eagles of Nigeria. So you can always follow us on the News Chronicle. You can subscribe to our channel, and you can also like our pages for updates on sport.